Hey guys, what's up? So I'm having this issue with my Linux Fedora 27 machine where when I close my laptop, it actually turns the computer off instead of hibernating. So I close the laptop, it turns off, and when I open the laptop, it starts back up again. So as if I pressed the power button. One of the main causes for a lot of people out there is that Linux is pointing to the wrong partition when you want to resume. So we're gonna have to reference the correct partition so that when the grub boot starts up, it'll be able to resume exactly where it left off. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the terminal, and we're gonna have to see what partition our swap is on. So in order to do that, type the following command: swapon -s. So that's going to bring up the partition that we're going to need to use. In this case, in my case, it's /def/dm1, and that's really the file name is really the only thing we're concerned about. In order to reference it, we need to open up the grub file and add the reference to it. So we do that by going to the grub file. Make sure you do this as a super user, because we're going to need to edit a file in our system, which normally is only read-only. So make sure you type in sudo, and the location is etc/default, and the name of the file is grub. Oh, and almost forgot to add gedit, because we're going to want to edit this file. So sudo gedit, and then the location of the file, which should be root etc default grub. When you get that done, you end up the file's going to open up. The line that we're interested in is this one right here. It says grub command line Linux, and this is the line that's going to reference the particular partition you're going to need. So you might already have a value for resume, but in this case, in my case, there is none. So in order to fix that, we're just going to add it. So we do that by typing in the word resume, and then adding the location of the partition that we need to reference, which in this case is /dev/dm-1. And with that, you can just save the window and you can close it. The next thing we're going to want to do is to regenerate the grub file, and this command is going to vary based on your BIOS. In my case, I'm using the UEFI BIOS. It's a little bit newer, so this command is going to be for that particular system. That's something that's going to vary. So in this case, it's going to be grub2 mkconfig -o, and then the location of the grub file. So that command, of course, don't forget to run this as the super user, so don't forget to include that sudo keyword in front. So once you press enter, it's going to go ahead and regenerate that grub file. Okay, so now with that, the grub file will be regenerated, and next time your computer tries to recover, it should resume where it was left off. So at this point, I'm not recording from a virtual machine or anything like that. I'm actually recording from my laptop, so I won't be able to record closing the laptop and resuming, obviously, but I'll be right back and tell you guys exactly what happened. Okay, so to explain what just happened is, after I ran all those steps just previously explained, I closed my laptop and left it closed for a few seconds, and then opened it back up, and it resumed exactly where we left off. So obviously when you resume, you're gonna have to log in. You have to log in again if your computer's set that way, and but then it goes straight back to whatever windows were open. In this case, I had a couple open, and the last thing I had opened was the terminal on the desktop, and so it resumed exactly where I left off. So it's successful. I actually borrowed this solution from a forum, and I'll post a link to I'll post a link to that just in case you guys want to check it out more, or get more information that maybe I didn't include on this video. If you have any questions, please leave them as a comment. I'll try to help out as much as I can. And that's pretty much it for the video. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you enjoyed it, consider giving me a thumbs up, or maybe even subscribing if you want to see future videos. That's pretty much it. So until next time.